this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple alternative to a magic circle. So in order to do this you need to know how to make a chain, how to hold your tension, and of course how to make a single crochet to go into that magic circle. So if you don't know how to do any of these, please do check out the videos in my playlist on how to do them, and hopefully you'll learn how to do it. Okay, so we're going to start off by making a slip knot quickly, like so. Put my hook in, tighten it, get my tension, and now I'm going to chain 2. So 1, 2. So as you can see, I've got my 2 chains here. I don't want to work into that first chain, which is the one closest to the hook. I want to work into this second chain here. It also happens to be the last chain. So I'm going to insert my hook into that second chain, like so. And now I'm just going to do a single crochet. So usually in patterns you tend to do 6 single crochets into a magic circle. So I've done my first one here, and now I'm going to do 5 more back into that same loop that I've just worked into. So this loop, so I'm going to insert my hook in again and make a single crochet. So I've now done 2, and I'm going to do another 4 all into that same big loop in the middle. Okay, I'm just doing my last single crochet now, and there we go, I've done 6. So I'm just going to count again just to double check. So we're going to look along the side and count the V's that we see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, there's quite a big hole in the middle. With this short end we can just pull it just to try and like tighten it a little bit. It's not going to do much, but so this is a very simple alternative, but you will have this hole in the middle. You can make the hole smaller by making your chains at the beginning much smaller, so that will make it a little bit neater. And if this big hole in the middle really bothers you, I do recommend learning how to do the harder version of the magic circle, as it gets you a nice neat circle. This is just here to help you if you're finding that too difficult. So thank you for watching, and please do check out the other videos in this playlist, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye! Why not check out my book in the description below? It would be a perfect way to test these new crochet skills.